Hello, today is March 14th, Tuesday, and what we are looking here is ES 5-minute time frame, and this is a thinkorswim platform, and this dark area here is New York 9:30 open till 4 p.m. close here. And in the pre-market here we had a news event today which created this big wick and the bar, and from that time the price kept continue going up and did an uptrend, so we can do a trend line from probably right around here up to something like that. I didn't want to take from these wicks here because of the news event here. So this has the uptrend move that we saw in the morning session here. And since we didn't have anything on this side here, what I did, I looked for previous day, and from the previous day we had this high of the day which we broke after the morning open, and so I kept continue going to the left. And so far on this pre-market session here, what we had was again an uptrend here, and then price got stalled here and then started selling off hard. So if we do a trend line at this level, something like that, so we had a uptrend, price did a sideways a little bit, and then from here, instead of continue going up, the price broke that uptrend and created a new lower low of this area here. This higher low here did not hold and then broke that trend, continued down after having a significant bars printed. So pretty much changed the direction of the move, and then the price broke this level. So this area pretty much starting from here, and you could have make maybe here too, but I'm just gonna make it like this much, so this bar here. So these two bars are pretty strong, and this area was a strong sell area because the price came down here and failed to bounce and failed to make a new higher high, and instead it made a new lower low here. So the starting point of this price action is started from here. We did not see the price coming back in this area and test it, so not this day we didn't do that. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna extend this to the right, and also I'm gonna make this high of the pre-market level here for that day. So I will just mark this. Okay, so this is the high of that pre-market day. And then when we come back to this today price action, after having this trend, we saw that the price came back into this sell zone area from the previous day, and it tested that high of that day, and then it failed to close above that level. And also when you look at the bodies, also they were pretty much same with the body of the previous day. And after price spending around 30 minutes or so sideways here, testing this level, and then failed like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times to close above this level, then I was interested about to see if we are gonna break this uptrend, which we did after this bar here with a nice signal bar here. It was a strong bar on the 5-minute. So this broke this trend, this uptrend, and we did a pullback. We went and print outside of this sell zone. Did a bounce right at the bottom of this swing low here. So this area was also important for me because I wanted to see the price come here and then print below this level here, this low area here, because this was the higher low for this uptrend, because we made a higher low, we made a higher high, and it failed to make a new higher high. Instead, I was looking to see if this higher low here, is it gonna hold it or is it gonna go through. On this one here, we did a pullback, and that was pretty close though. If this was a strong trend, most of the time you don't see the price coming this much into that significant higher low level here. Because the prices almost touched it and went through this, and I was now looking this level here, the downtrend level is gonna hold, or the buyers is gonna be able to go through and retest it high again, which they hold it at this level. This was also a pivot level here, and after this buyer attempt here, they failed with this bar again, and then this time we printed, and then we broke this higher low area also, which also changed that direction of the move. And from here we went through the previous higher low area, and then we did a pullback and we kept that downtrend and we kept that higher lows, and price continue keep going down from that level. And this area was my exit area here, which also was a monthly low area. From here it also continued price all the way to the VWAP area, which broke this another higher low here. And from VWAP, price kept continue going down all the way to the pretty much news event area here. And when this signal bar printed at that time, I was looking at the ADD. It was around 11:45 and the ADD was still at the very high level, the 2200 levels here. And from this level, it started making new lower highs. And this was the 2000 tick chart. It is an entry chart for my ES trade, and on the right is 1 minute time frame. So my entry 39.62 level, and my target was around 39.48 level.
Target filled. Target filled.